Hello! I hope you're having an amazing day. And today I'm going to share with you 5 ways to wear animal prints. Now, animal prints of all kinds are very much on trend for fall. Actually, they've been a trend since fall of last year, so if you picked up some animal print pieces, then you will be on trend wearing them during this fall as well. If you're looking for some more ideas on how to style your animal prints, or maybe want to pick up an animal print piece but are wondering if they're versatile, personally, I really think they are, especially if you choose one in a neutral color, like a lot of the brown and black leopards or the black and white snakeskin. And now I'm going to show you various ways of styling them. Before we get into that though, my name is Ekaterina, and on this channel I post a video every Friday related to fashion, style, things like that. If you like that kind of content, please consider subscribing, it would mean the world to me. And now, let's get into the outfits. And that was it. I really hope that you got some ideas for styling animal print pieces this fall, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And before I go, you may have noticed that in my last video I decided to start sharing one positive thing at the end of each video, and hopefully you will share something positive from your day in the comments below. And today, my positive thing is kind of funny. There was a really strong hailstorm outside, and it happened right as I was sitting there and thinking, the weather is so nice, maybe I should make time for a walk. And some of the pieces of hail were about 1 centimeter in diameter. So if I'd been out there, it wouldn't have been very pleasant for me. And I'm really happy that I didn't go. And now the weather seems to be clearing up again, so maybe I will go later. And on that positive note is where I leave you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Be you, always. Bye!